Today's Hot Wheels 2019 US, keyword, USG case unboxing is brought to you by A&J Toys. Freeze that screen, get that information, order what you need, pre-order what you need when they put it up. Great place to buy cases, including this one, a USG case. This ends up being the 5th video we've done on the G case. That's because I like to be complete, and now because A&J Toys sends them to me and I always think it's interesting to see, this is the US case. The unboxing I did last week was the international case. Sometimes I get these cases weeks after the international case. It just depends on what Mattel decides to send dealers like A&J. Other times it's just a few days, and that's this case now is the G case. So many of you have reported finding the G case in stores. So I would say I've heard about it at Target. I don't know if I've heard about Walmart yet, depending on the country you live in. But this is the US case. So we are going to open it up, have a look, and see what we find. It might be very similar to the international case I just opened last week, and it may not be. We will just find out. So we will start with this. It is the 66 Chevy Nova, then the Spider-Mobile, and the Pagani Huayra. I've got to get this light a little bit better. We'll go quickly. If there's anything of note, then we will definitely mention it. Bogzilla, and then 2 of the I Believe. We've already done the International H case, so we always get a little bit ahead of ourselves. This is the 88 Honda CRX Recolor in black with the gold OH5s. Never going to get sick of that one. I just think that is super cool. Heavy Hitcher. And then the Lamborghini Countach police car. I believe that debuted in the case before. It's funny, when you do all these openings, it seems to happen all at once. You tend to lose track of what debuted and what. But I think I remember in this one. Speedbox. 2 of those. And then the Tricera, whatever it is, truck. Tricera truck. Hyper Rocker. And then 2 of the HW50 concept. Recolor of the Land Rover Defender Double Cab, the Rocket Fire, and then if you find one in more of a Spectra Flame color with chrome rims, you know you have found the Super of the 92 Ford Mustang. This is not. This is just the standard. No complaints from me. It's a cool looking car, cool casting, popular casting. Of course, the Super's awesome too, but we already did that showcase, didn't we? Buns of Steel, and then the Fair Lady 2000, another Rocket Fire. That Fair Lady is nice. Nice to see the Steelies back on it. Holdover from the last case, the Volkswagen Squareback, and how about that Skyline? That debuts in this case. I'm a big fan of the Ken Mary Skyline, so as many as I can get of that one, I'm not going to complain. All right, another of the Defender Double Cab, and then 2 of the last case Super, the Mazda Ripu. Oh, some of these always get a little dusty. Grupo times 24 and the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. Some of you, by the end of this case, and I should probably just answer it now, you'll be like, where's the McLaren Senna? Well, because Hot Wheels basically distributed the G and H cases at about the same time, you'll get those confused. You know, you'll see what's in here. Lamborghini Countach police car, Skull Shaker, and then the recolor of the Batmobile. Bogzilla. What is that? Too Tough, right? And then the Exotique in that really cool tan color. I just think that's pretty neat, in my view. All right, let's see what else we got here. Recolor of the 57 Chevy, and then the 67 Chevelle, which you should definitely get because it's just a cool car. But I've said enough about that one. Oops. 2 of the Dodge Viper, the GTS-R, and then the Rip Rod. And then some cars that fell down. Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32 plus the Blastus Moto. I put an Instagram post up today, or the day that I filmed this, just about how this is the King Cuda, 2 of those, and the 11 Dodge Charger. about how it just seems like a few months ago we were saying, but wouldn't it be cool if Hot Wheels did a proper R32, and now we have 4 versions: Fast and Furious, open track, the HKS, and then 2 in the basic range. Is that crazy or what? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, well let's talk about this one. This is the model to get in this case. If you are out and about and you find the G case, pick up this Porsche. I am telling you, you will be very, very happy with it. It's an absolutely gorgeous casting. 2 of those in here, and this this is the Roadster. Corolla DeVille, 2 of those, and then the Jeep. I like that Jeep. I hope you like that Jeep. I think it's pretty cool. Bogzilla again, and then holdovers from the last case, the Batmobile. Almost done. Turbo charged, and then the what is that? Carbide. I don't know if we have a regular. There's the regular Super Treasure Hunt. Okay, Carbonator, and then the Slide Kick. So the Slide Kick looks a little bit like the Robo Race car, so I got this confused. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself, but in the H case, the Robo Race car is in there. This is the Slide Kick looks a lot like it, so I got confused. All right, this is cool. 2 of the Rise and Climb, but this is the model I was hoping I'd get, and finally, in this case, it's the Corvette Stingray, and that's a pretty sweet treasure hunt. There's the symbol right there in the back. This is a plastic body, metal base, but I think that's the only way they can do these chrome, at least for the basic range. I think they can do chrome on premium models, but this thing is kind of cool. Like, you look at the way they did the wheels. This is a cool treasure hunt. So if we do a Lamley Awards, I don't know what all the treasure hunts are going to be, but this one's up there, right? There. Cool. Happy to have that. I'm going to have to open that one up because it's a cool treasure hunt. I will do that later. But there you go. That is the 2019 Hot Wheels USG case. It seemed that the International was very low on the regular treasure hunt. But maybe those of you who open the G case will find this one. And it's worth picking up, and then maybe you'll be lucky and get that Mustang as well. Thanks, guys, for watching. Go out and find these. If you find anything cool, you let me know. I want to know. We'll see ya. Bye.